Hey there, it's Shay, and in this video, I want to talk to you about making money online, but specifically with clicks. And yes, I actually mean clicks. I don't mean making money by generating leads or making sales. Actually making money by just generating clicks. This is a method that still even today not many people even know about, and even the people that do know about it, they've never actually experienced what it's like to make money by just generating clicks. And this is exactly what I want to show you right now in this video, but it's also what I teach my students on a daily basis. And it's of course something that I have now been doing for multiple years now. So instead of talking about it, let me show you. I'm just going to jump into one of the networks that I use. I use roughly around 5 or 6 at this point, but over the past couple months, this one has really stood out a little more than the others that I use because the amount I get paid per click has risen a little bit. And I'm actually just going to run through some of the numbers with you right now. This is actually revenue, this graph. Alright, and I'm going to go through all the columns as well. These sort of match up revenue with the last column right here. This graph right here, this blue purpley one, this is visitors. So visitors column, this one. The clicks, clicks there. Alright, and RPC. This is revenue per click. Alright, so how much I'm getting paid per each of these clicks right here. Okay, and I'm sure you've probably already looked at some of the numbers here. And of course you probably have multiple questions. And I'm not going to specifically go into too much detail in this video because that's not really what this is about. The inner workings of a campaign and what is actually running behind the scenes is going to take a little bit longer than just this quick YouTube video. But I really just love showing these kinds of campaigns, the revenue and the results, really to my students first, but also for people such as yourself, people trying to look for ways to make money online. And when you know what you are doing, it's incredibly simple. And it's actually really cool getting paid for clicks. So one of the first questions you may be asking, and especially if you have a little bit of experience, would probably be how are you even making that amount of money, decent amount of money, with one network? How are you doing it with such little amounts of traffic? Okay, so the visitors here, this is what I'm actually sending to my pages to then convert into paying clicks. Okay, the searches is, doesn't really count in this. It's just something else this network looks at, but it doesn't really matter. The main columns that we will look at is visitors, clicks, CTR, RPC, and revenue. So if you look at today so far, we're in October. Today's the 19th, as you can see right there. So 139 clicks so far today. All right, and out of 139 visitors, this is the amount of traffic I've sent so far, 68 of those have become paying clicks, which calculates to be around the 48, almost 49% click-through rate. And I was getting paid so far today is $7.57. This will change at any moment basically. And that has equaled, 68 times the RPC, $514.52 so far today. And basically I've already answered this first question just by, running over these stats here. The reason why you don't have to really push a lot of traffic to make a decent amount of money every day is simply really because of this RPC column here, the revenue per click. And, of course the fact that I am getting paid for the clicks itself, but because I'm getting paid $7.57 for each of these 68 clicks, that's it. That's the only reason why you don't have to generate much traffic. Other click payout networks, they may only pay less than $1. And I am still with some networks that do pay, around the 50 cents to $1 mark. Some pay around $2 to $3. But this network here, if I just scroll down, actually just to show some more of the days here so far for this month, the 19 days so far, you can see how the RPC ranges here. Alright, so it looks like the lowest day for the RPC has been on the 2nd, and it was $3.97. And it's ranged up to, $7.93. But I've even had days where it's been over $10 a click. So, it really doesn't take much. If you're getting $10 a click, all you have to do is hit 100 clicks, you've done $1,000 that day. It's really that simple. And here's the thing. I am willing to show you exactly what I am doing here with these campaigns, but I'm certainly not going to be showing everyone everything forever. I'm only going to have this thing open for a limited amount of time because I want to work with truly serious people only. I'm about providing quality and I'm not about working with quantity. Alright, so if you believe that you fit that category, if you've been looking for ways to make money online for a while and you still haven't been able to break through yet, or even if you are making a little bit of money and you're looking to get to that next level and, really create some consistency with your income online, if you believe you fit that requirement, then hey, I'm willing to work with you and show you what these campaigns look like behind the scenes. But all you have to do right now is take action and click the link at the top of the description. So I can give you access. Just do that right now. Click the link at the top of the description right now. It'll just be a quick bit.ly link just so you can jump over to my website. As soon as you've done that, you'll land on this page right here. I've just gone to my site as well just to show you what you will see. So as soon as you've clicked the link in the description, all you have to do then is just enter in your email address right here and then click this button, the Get Access button here. Then the final thing that I'm going to do for you right now is send you out my welcome email. So that's the final thing to do. Go check your email address that you just entered in. Go open that up shortly. And I'll remind you again on the next page as soon as you've clicked the access button. But just be sure to go look for my email in your email address, in your inbox. Go check that. I'm going to provide you a bunch of information to get started today. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one when you open my welcome email and get started. I'll work with you over there soon.